Check this free and amazing CPA marketing strategy I'm about to reveal to you right now that you can use to start making money with CPA Grip. And guys, I'm going to walk you through how you could do just that as you go through this particular video. So basically all we need to do right now is to come onto this platform called CPA Grip to go onto creating an account. You can create an account on CPA Grip by clicking on register if you don't have one. You'll be brought to this page and you want to just simply scroll through, and you can actually check out the fields having these red asterisk signs. Those indicate the required field you must fill out before you can go on to creating an account on this platform. Focus on all the fields having the red asterisk sign, fill them out and actually agree to the terms of service as you can see right here before you can get an account created on this platform by clicking on register. Once you do that guys, you want to go on to logging into your account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account guys, but before we dive right further into the video guys, you want to make sure that you are actually subscribed to my channel OJ Marketing, and you also hit the like button to the video because I usually create videos on ways you could make money online with the use of artificial intelligence, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos right here that could actually help you out right now. So basically guys, once you have actually registered for my platform, we just want to head back into the video. So right now guys, once you do log back into your account, you want to come onto this section that says offer tools. If you do click on offer tools, a drop down list will be shown to you. Select this my offer option. If you do select that, you will be brought to a page that will look similar to this, and you can filter your offers to get offers from any country of your choice. I'm choosing the United States because it is quite more easier to get traffic to the United States. You can actually go on to checking out some cool offers right here that you could go on to promoting. I basically prefer promoting offers with a very cool payout and an offer that are kind of like a sweepstake offer. You can actually take a look at this. If you do click on payout, it's going to show you from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. And this offer right here is a very cool one that actually gives out $1,000 in cash for the summer. And this is kind of a cool sweepstake offer. All you actually need to do is to get people from the United States to utilize this your unique affiliate link to come onto this platform and submit their email address or zip code while using a desktop devices. These are actually the conditions for you to get paid this amount right here, which is $2.31 for every person that actually does that. So you actually need to make sure that your leads fulfill these conditions for you to go on to doing so and earning this particular amount. So basically, in order for you to do so, copy the link right here to the offer and go on to creating a simple landing page. You may utilize Google Sites right here. As you can see, if I do open this landing page right now, you'll be able to see the cool landing page I created with the help of this particular website called Google Sites. You can see right here it says claim a free gift now. It says select and win a giveaway. Note, you may be required to complete a survey, a simple survey to gain access to giveaway. And you can see right here I'm promoting multiple giveaway offers with this particular platform right here. This one right here is for a Walmart gift card offer. This is for $10,000 sweepstake offer. This is also for $100 towards Wingstop. So all these are actually sweepstakes CPA marketing offers I'm promoting, and you can actually go on to creating something similar to this. You could also utilize other platforms right here like Systemy.io or Breezy.cloud to go on to creating simple landing pages. If you're finding it difficult creating a landing page, all you need to do right now is to go onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and go on to type in a landing page. And if you do type in landing page and click on enter, you will be able to see my videos I created for you on how you could go on to creating simple landing pages right now. This one shows you how to create a landing page and earn up to $500 a day. This shows you how to create a landing page with Systemy.io. This is with Google Sites. This is also Systemy.io. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see other videos I created for you that can help you create simple landing pages. So check out those videos right there and create a landing page for yourself. That could help you gain much more conversions to your CPA offers, because landing pages actually help boost your conversions to your CPA offers. So once that has actually been achieved, that you do create a simple landing page and link that to your CPA offers, because as you can see this one right now, when somebody do click on this section that says claim here, it's going to take them to that CPA marketing offers. You can see the link right here. Also for this right here and this right here, it's going to take them to the respective CPA marketing offers for them to actually go on to completing, and I do get paid some cool cash. So basically once you've done that right now, you want to just simply copy the link to your landing page right here. As you can see, this is the link to my landing page, and if I do go on to pasting that on a new tab, you'll be able to see how cool the landing page actually goes on to looking like. This is how the page actually goes on to looking like on a new tab right here. So basically guys, for me to go on to promoting this right here, you want to just simply utilize a free platform, which can be a free ad platform called the classifiedforfree.com. Once you come onto this platform guys, you can actually see right here that you could go on to posting ads for free on this particular platform, and you can actually see right here that there are some recent ads you could go on to checking out. You can see this section, ads by category, ads by places. For you to go on to posting your ad, click on post ad. You can see user ads, articles, banner ads, and contacts. But before you can post your ad on this platform guys, you want to just simply go on to clicking on register. If you do click on register, it's going to bring you to a page such as this, where you just need to provide the basic details like your username, your password, confirm that password, insert your email address, your homepage URL, last name, and first name. So fill out all these details and click on register. Your account will be created almost immediately, and you could go on to utilizing it right now. So once your account has actually been created right here, as you can see, mine says OJ Marketing. That shows that I'm logged into my account. I'm just going to go on to clicking on post ad. If you do click on post ad right now, it's going to bring you to this page where you just simply have to fill out all these details appropriately. You can see that it says if you post ads in inappropriate categories, all your ads will be deleted without warning, and repeated offenders will be blocked from the site. You could also see that ads stay for 30 days unless renewed. The start date is reset to another 30 days after a renewal. Unlimited renewal is allowed. So you can actually see right here, what you need to do first is go to select the location which you want to promote your ad to. I'm just going to select a section in the United States. All these are actually available in the United States right here. So maybe if I do go on to selecting Hawaii, that has actually been selected. Select a city, select a post city in the United States. You can actually do go on to selecting that. You could also see the site says select a post in outside United States. So maybe I'm just going to select somewhere like Canada, and you want to just simply select a post in a world city. So actually fill out all these details right here. You want to put in a header text, which is actually the text for that your CPA marketing offer. Maybe you could actually put in something like claim a free $10,000 now. So if you do put in something like this, claim a free $10,000 now, you could actually put in the category right here. As you can see, you need to actually go into selecting a category that this actually falls into. So I'm just going to select the free stuff category. That's actually free stuff. You want to also fill out all this section like your contact email, your contact phone number, manufacturer, model, year, price. You can actually do skip out sections that you don't actually have access to. You can see the description right here. Make sure you do give a cool and amazing description of the offer, maybe a very cool call to action that will drag people's attention or capture people's attention right there to completing the offer. Right here is the section you're going to just simply going to paste in the link to your landing page. You also want to, if you do have a YouTube video you want to utilize, you can paste that in right here. But this section guys is actually for images right here, which you can go on to add into this particular ad. So you can actually do fixing all the fields that are actually appropriate, then upload or post your ad on this platform. As you can see, you want to upload photos into gallery. Click checkbox on top left corner of an image to include in ad, and click trash icon on top right corner to delete image. So you can actually follow these procedures right here to add an image, and once you do add an image, just simply click on post ad and post your ad for free on this platform. So it's absolutely free. Make sure you follow out all the necessary information that I actually showed you right here to fill out everything appropriately and post your ad for free on this platform. So if the video has added any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the video. You may want to just make sure you subscribe to my channel and your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and goodbye.